What's up, everybody? We are Sin City Food Reviews and we are at Hell's Kitchen. Kitchen.
I would rate it top 5. Very good service, very friendly, pleasant. They check on you a lot.
Okay, and how about cleanliness?
I would give that a 5 also because it's very clean. Yeah, very clean and neat.
Okay, quality of food?
Quality is a 5 also. It's very, very good. I have no complaints.
Okay, how about the speed of service?
The speed was, I would say, a 3 because like once you like eat your appetizer, your main course, and then dessert, you did have to wait a little bit. I know they're busy, but yeah, you did have to wait.
Okay, what about the ambiance of the restaurant?
I would give it a 2 just because of the noise level. You know.
But like they probably couldn't help the noise really. But they have like bumping music in the background.
Yeah.
It's like
you can't really pay attention to the music.
And the cost.
The cost, I gave it a 4. It's a high price, but even though you get a little amount, it's rich and it's fulfilling. It's very fulfilling.
What about the drinks?
The drinks, I gave it a 2 because $12 for beer is kind of pricey.
It was actually 9, which I just checked it, but still.
It's like frontier date prices for yeah.
Okay, what about the overall rating?
The overall rating, I would actually give them a 5.
Okay.
Because I enjoyed it. I did have the crispy skin salmon. Very, very good. I did also get a chance to try JT's beef Wellington, which was out of this world, and the mashed potatoes were the best I've ever tried in my life.
And would you recommend Hell's Kitchen?
Yes, I would. Yeah, I really would.
And what was your favorite part of Hell's Kitchen?
My favorite part? Actually watching them prepare your food.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
How would you rate the service?
The service I give a 5. Super pleasant, super friendly, definitely a 5.
And the cleanliness?
It was super clean, I did give that a 5. They even had a special napkin for your face mask, so definitely a 5.
Okay. What about the
quality of food I'd give a 5. It was really good quality. The beef Wellington was amazing. The dessert was amazing. Definitely a 5.
the speed?
The speed, 3 or 4, something like that. Once they finished each course, they should have had the other course out for you and ready. But I don't know. That could have been anything. But yeah, probably a 4 on the speed.
The ambiance?
The ambiance could have been a 3 or 4. I ended up giving it a 4. The main problem is it's just super noisy in here, which they can't really help that because there's just a lot of people in here, in and out of all kinds. But they have some like weird music bumping in the background. You guys can probably hear it.
And the cost?
The cost was a 4, believe it or not. It's $150 you guys see, but it was 2 3-course meals, 2 Miller Lite beers, and then of course you had water. And also, you know, you had your dessert, main course, and yeah, so a 4 wasn't bad for a nice restaurant.
And what about the drinks?
The drinks I gave a 4. It was a $9 a beer. Mom said 12, but I think she said 12 at first, but it ended up being $9 a beer, which wasn't like too high for Las Vegas, Caesar's Palace and stuff. It's still $9 for a beer. Come on, you know what I mean?
So the overall rating?
Overall rating, I gave it a 4. I could have gave it a 5, but the speed was kind of slow and it was really noisy in here, but I definitely gave it a 4.
Okay. And would you recommend Hell's Kitchen?
I would definitely recommend it. Like I said, the food was amazing here. It's a little noisy, but you know, you're gonna have to deal with it when there's a lot of people, but I would definitely recommend Hell's Kitchen. So there you guys have it. We came to Hell's Kitchen, we reviewed Hell's Kitchen, and Hell's Kitchen was awesome, guys. I hope you enjoyed this review. Definitely hit the subscribe, and let me know in the comments where you want us to review next, and we will see you for the next one. Later.
Yeah.